Hello Internet. Another 4090 from PNY came in for repair with a problem that can be described as simple as the no display thing, which is a very common thing for GPUs that cost almost as much as a half-decent car. With the comparison out of the way, let's take it apart and see why it refuses to display. Here it is. I'll check for resistances in the most critical areas of the board, measurements of which can be found on my Discord server. And not finding anything suspicious, let's power it on and see what it does. With the 2 amps of current, it looks like we have all the required voltages to safely boot the card by the PC, which gives us the no display thing I mentioned earlier. So I'll plug the HDMI cord into the motherboard instead and see if we can run a memory test. Memory test has revealed that we have a faulty chip which is very far away from the PCI Express slot. That's great news, because if it was closer, problem would have been much worse. But we got lucky today, so let's change this chip and see if that helps. Okay, chip is replaced. Resistances on memory and 1.8 volt look normal. So let's repeat the same test again, and as you can see, we get a pass. Now let's plug the HDMI cable back into the board and see if it will display on its own. And it looks like it does. With that done, I will clean everything up, apply new paste, assemble the card, and hopefully it's all going to be okay. Sometime later in the firm arc and superposition benchmark proves that the repair was a success. So that will be it for this 4090, and as for you, please hit me with a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one if you like it, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.